Hey everyone! If you want to find where your Steam games are installed, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly open your Steam game files. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open Steam. Go to your library. Select the game whose files you want to find. Right-click the game. Then click Properties. Open the Installed Files tab. Click Browse. Steam will instantly open the game's installation folder. From here, you can access the game files, copy, move, or back up your saved files if needed, or locate the games.exe file. If you want to find the main Steam Games folder, go back to Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner. Then click Settings. Open the Storage tab. Here you'll see all your Steam library folders. Click the three dots next to a library. Then select Open Folder. This will open the folder where your Steam games are stored. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having any problems, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.